Hi, thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to be going over the Rad Network Solutions micro cable ranging from 12 fiber to 576. The sample I'm showing today is a 288-200 micron. All of our cable comes in a 200 or 250 micron option. The difference being the size of the jacket, so the OD is smaller on our 200 micron, allowing us to get into a smaller microduct. Some of our innovation on our cable comes from our high flex 12 count buffer tubes. Compared to our competitors that have a jacket and buffer tube that kinks easily, ours are very flexible and still rugged. We offer a 12 and a 24 count buffer tube from 144 up. Generally, we prefer a 12 count buffer tube as do our customers. You'll see that we have bright red heavy duty pull strings during opening. Makes for a very quick and easy jacket to open. We also offer a laser indent print on all of our cable. So after jetting through microduct, you're guaranteed to have a legible and readable sequential and cable marker. We also offer a resin-coated strength member, which also offers some padding to our helical wrap on the buffer tubes. We also offer one of the smallest OD 144, 288, and 432 and 576 micros on the market. Our 288-200 micron is only a 9.3 millimeter OD, easily jetting inside a 12 millimeter microduct. And you'll see over my shoulder, we'll have all of the sizing for microfiber for 200 and 250 and the associated microducts that they go in. For more information, please contact us today. Thank you.